together now for such a long time. Through every trial we'd ever cared to go. When I look back, I almost can't believe it. We're not the same people that we used to know. Someone to hold me the way that you do. Someone who needs me the way I need you. Someone to show me a way that it's true. Someone to love me again the way that I love you. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Want to hold me the way that you do. Someone who needs me the way I need you. Someone to show me a way that it's true. Someone to love me again. Someone to hold me the way that you do. The way I need you. Someone to love me. The way that I love you.
These flowers from someone. Like your song, someone. Congratulations.
Thank you,
to that.
Adam.
Pero bago yan, nako, we'd like to call in Ms. MG Mozo, a Viva Records Assistant General Manager for Production and Marketing. May gift siya sa'yo.
Wow naman.
Wow!
Sa wakas!
Yay!
Ayan. Ako naman.
Okay. In behalf of Rachel's Viva Records family, it gives me great pleasure to present this Gold Record Award to Miss Rachel Ango in recognition of the outstanding sales of her album, Rachel Ann Rocks Live.
Thank you
Congratulations.
very much. Salamat po sa wakas, nakagold. Thank you sa ASAP, to my ASAP family, salamat po, Viva Records. To Boss Vic Del Rosario, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronic, Direct Val, to all the radio stations, Mr. Reggie Cruz, Juan Sarte, Miss Ellen Santos of Mixed Gems Fan Jewelry, Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Jose Marie Yupanco, Skechers, Time Bench, VJ Floresca, Oscar God Jr., Mama Rudy, and Angelou. And of course, all my friends, Shenantics and Shin Ians, maraming salamat sa supporta niyo dito sa aking Rachel Ann Rocks Live album.
So after ng gold, susunod natin Target Platinum. Again, everyone to get a copy.
I'm inviting everyone to please get a copy of my fourth album, Rachel Ann Rocks Live. Sana po supportahan niyo po yung kinanta ko kanina, Someone, sa lahat ng mga in love. Yes, and abangan niyo rin po ang aking upcoming concert. Malapit na po yan.
Lapit na.
Yay!
Abangan namin. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Rachel.
Tony.
From one